Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
7 little known acne skincare secrets. Sweet, 7 little known acne skincare secrets. An acne problem is not a problem, so long as you know wise acne skincare tips. One doesn't need much money to get that healthy glowing skin. With the natural acne skincare methods, acne shouldn't be treated like monsters under your bed. Here are some acne skincare methods we can practice. The power of water. Oil, they say, is thicker than water. But water is the plainest, most natural substance we can use for acne skincare. In washing your face, do it gently. Rubbing and scrubbing your face does not clean the skin gently. For best acne skincare effects, using a mild cleanser or toner once in the morning, noon and evening, and after doing a heavy workout, will help you achieve a clear skin. Pick that sit. People who prick pimples and blemishes as if pricking a bubble only aggravates the risk of skin inflammation and acne scars. Avoid hand contact with your face for better acne skincare results. Shave with care. Choose the best electric shavers and safety razors you can trust for years. They'll be more comfortable to use. Men need not use a super sharp blade to get rid of that beard. A regular shaver used with soap and water, or shaving cream will help you get that smooth finish. Sun of the beach. If you love suntanning or just want the sight of that sophisticated sunburnt look, forget it. This is an acne skincare no-no. The sun's harmful ultraviolet rays redden the skin, making the skin drier. It can make one's blemishes visible, speed up aging and bring serious damage to the human skin. Cosmetics. Eyeshadows, blush-on, moisturizer, and other cosmetics we use should be free from oily substances to permit healthy acne skincare maintenance. Even hairstyling products in forms of gels or aerosols that come in close contact with the skin may destroy a healthy acne skincare practice. Choose hairstyling products, which are commercially labeled as non-comedogenic, or products which do not provoke the formation and growth of blemishes and other related skin disorders. Buttered face. An African beauty secret reveals the power of shea butter, which originated from the curite nut tree. Juicy acne skincare tip. Curite nut tree was discovered in the semi-arid savannas of West Africa and Central Africa. People in Africa, women in particular, rely on shea butter as a vital tool for acne skincare treatment for over centuries now. Spare me that SPA. You need not visit the most expensive spa parlors to get that de-stressing facial treatment to aid you in your acne skincare endeavor. Create a homemade magical elixir right at the comforts of your own home by purchasing simple spa tools found in beauty stores. Get only the best and the fresh. Increase intake of fresh fruit and vegetables. These acne skincare tools are free of toxins, which decreases the speed of blood circulation. A salad or a fruit a day will keep an acne away. There is no perfect cure, medication, treatment or acne skincare methods for acne problems. Thus, as the sole proprietor of our own skin, we must take full charge of what lies to be our first armor against diseases and bodily injuries.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.